My name is Sam Pearson. I run Mythology with my partner Anna. We both co-founded the company, and my role is design and production, and Anna's is design and sales and marketing. So design is the bit which we overlap.
Sam and I design all of our pieces collaboratively, and we feel like this adds a lot to our work. Having two different perspectives often leads to a richer outcome. We both feed into the process. Our style has developed quite a lot over the years. Something that really inspires us is the wood that we work with. We always make sure that, although we're designing pieces which are sculptural and quite bold designs, we always want to make sure that the natural materials really shine through as well.
I learned about the Festool giveaway when I bought a Festool CTL26 extractor. They gave me the option to enter into this competition. I just thought, why not? Give it a try. Only took me a couple of minutes to enter and couldn't believe it when I actually won. There's just this amazing feeling inside. I really like the fact that it's got automatic start, so you don't have to keep turning it on and off. It will just start when you start your tool up. And I think it's important having a good dust extractor. I found out that I won the Festool giveaway when I got this phone call from Fix Radio, and this guy said to me I'd won this competition. I just couldn't believe how lucky I was, especially Festool tools, because they are the best tools. It will elevate my work for sure. Having the racking system in the van will just make working on site so much more enjoyable. Something I really love about working in the workshop is being able to be organised, and having the racking system will make that side of it a lot easier. The tool that I'm most excited about is the Router 2200. It's just such a great bit of kit. You can be so precise with all the micro adjustments on it. It really means you've got a lot of control.
We make a lot of floor lamps and table lamps. We started to get frustrated that we couldn't find exactly what we were looking for, so we decided it would be better just to make them ourselves. We're also really keen to use sustainable and natural materials, so it's kind of in keeping with our ethos.
We try and make our work so it's relevant to today. It fits within a contemporary space. We try and make our furniture so it lasts generations.